Where is the mind located in the body? Come here. Come here. Come here. I will show you where the mind is. Shall I show? Where the mind is? Come here. Somewhere in the body, I will pinch. If there is pain, there is mind there. Pain? 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 So everywhere there is a mind.
You can take the mind anywhere you like. That is the thing. But it should have a permanent place, a original place.
No, the whole mind is now spread all over the body.
It does not have any specific
No.
place.
No. The soul itself is the mind in the body. The soul itself is called as the mind in the body. When the soul goes away, when there is no breath, when there is no mind also, then you will not have any pain anywhere.
Then where is the soul?
Soul is the mind is the soul. Soul in terms of the matter is called as the mind. Mind, when removed from the matter, is called as soul. Right? Give me a glass of water. I will show you. Keep it here. Now, this glass of water is this is the physical body. Okay, I am a soul. Okay, I want to see what is there in the water. I want to feel the water. Whether it is cool or hot. What should I do? So this is the soul. Okay, this is the physical reality. So I enter, I put my finger here. Oh. Then that part of the finger which is within the water, that is called as the mind. When you remove, it is the soul. The soul cannot enter, the whole soul cannot enter the water. Only a part. So the rest of the soul is here. Just a small part of the soul goes into the water. That water, that part of the soul which is touching the water, that is called as the mind. So when at the time of death, this is death. This is birth. Birth is the beginning of the mind and death is the end of the mind. So what happens? The mind is the interface between soul and matter. The mind is the interface between soul and matter. Okay. To experience that matter, the soul comes here. The whole soul does not come here. Give me one more glass. This is one galaxy, Milky Way galaxy. This is another galaxy, Andromeda galaxy. So, the same soul is experiencing two different worlds. Maybe this is hot water, this is cold water. But simultaneously, I am enjoying the hot water and I also the cold. But this finger does not know about this finger. So, a big soul can have put many fingers into many realities. And in one reality, it's a rich man, another reality, it's a poor man, another reality, it's a female, another reality, it's a male. All things simultaneously. I'm showing only 2 glasses, but I can show you 100 glasses and put all my parts, different parts of the body in different. So the soul enjoys many dimensions, many realities. And the part which is entering the water, there's a distortion, optical distortion. So mind is a process, is a figment of optical illusions. Hey, I am the body. Actually, you are not the body. You are in the body. You are not the body. The mind is optical illusions. Okay? This is birth. This is death. This is forever. The soul is forever. This experience is temporary. This experience is temporary. But experience, for that experience, you have gone there. It's very important that I go there and experience. That's how I get wisdom. That's how I get knowledge of all the universes. The soul immerses itself into many dimensions. That interface is the mind, Swamiji.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು PMC ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And give your experiences for PMC. Record your experiences so that the whole world will know your experiences.